Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw in color an ice cream. This ice cream has 3 scoops of ice cream. So let's get started. First I'm going to mark the areas for the 3 scoops of ice cream and from where the cone starts and ends. Now from the top I'll start by making these circles here. The first scoop, then the second, and then the third one over here. Now over here we'll add the cream, make a circular line like this and then make another one over here like this and over here again. This way we make the cream on top of it and the cherry. Next over here we'll show the drip of the ice cream like this. We will do the same for the next scoop as well. Now over here add the line for the cone, a straight line, then another straight line over here. And then we will make a V shape for the bottom area of the cone as well. Like this. Do share your favorite ice cream flavor in the comment section. Let me know what you like as well. Now over here we'll draw the eyes like this, small eyes with eyelashes. Same thing over here as well. Make sure that these circles are of same size and then a small mouth, then blush over here. Now we'll repeat the same thing for this one. Here we are showing that one of its eye is closed and the other is like this and it's smiling. I removed the marks that we made in the beginning of the video where first or second scoop is going to be with the eraser. Now over here we also add a bow, making it a little cute, and another stick over here which contains the lollipop. Over here add a design on the lollipop like this, and next on the stick we are going to add a small bow as well. Next over here add hearts, small circles and diamonds like this or sparkling symbols and flowers over here in the background to make it look beautiful and attractive. Over here I'm making a strawberry, a really small one with few seeds on it. A star over here like this. Now we are going to add drip over here as well, this way. And next we will draw eyes and mouth for this scoop as well. Next on the cone add lines like this over here. And then we will draw another set of lines crisscrossing them this way. Now we'll add a little more things in the background, like over here I'm going to add cherry like this, a big cherry over here. Next over here we are going to add a toffee. Next over here add a star like this and another one over here. Add a tail for this scoop of ice cream. As you see, we have also drawn its ears, so we are kind of imitating that it looks like a cat. Add few sprinkles over here like this. Next, using a black marker you outline everything. Make sure the marker that you're using is thin enough because we have a lot of details in this picture, so a thin marker will help you in preserving the outlines well. You can also use a black gel pen for the same. even that works. But do not use a thick marker for it, otherwise all the details will be blurred out. And we are almost done with the outline. Now once you are done with the outline, erase all the pencil marks that are visible, and then we will start with the coloring. We will use crayons for coloring this picture. Let's start with the coloring. Now I'm going to take the pinkish purple color and I'm going to color the heart with it. Next I'll use dark pink color for coloring the cream that was present at the top of the ice cream. Use red color for coloring the cherry. Using the same dark pink color, I'm going to color this drip area as well. Make sure you do not color the small circles that are present that we left for the sprinkles. Now take brown color and very lightly color up this entire area over here. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure, just be light. Let the crayon touch the paper and make sure that all the strokes are added in one direction so as to ensure that they are not scribbled. They don't look like scribbles. This way we also get an even layer of color on the paper. Apply a little pressure and add these lines for the tail over here. In pink color I added the blush, and now I'll use red color for adding it on the mouth here. Using the same red color I'll color the cherry as well. Using dark green color I color the leaf for the cherry and this flower over here. As you can see, I'm making sure that it's all colored in one color only. I'm not showing any tonal value or any scribbles, so make sure you're also coloring it evenly. Next, take golden color and color the star and the sparkles that are present over here. Now take the red color and color the bow over here. Now using orange color, you color one part of this candy, leave one stripe and then color the next one. Next take pink color and color the white stripes that we left in the beginning. Take yellow color and color this ice cream over here. Again take pink color and color this part of this ice cream. Next, take light blue color and color this bottom area of the ice cream here. Next, we'll take brown color and we'll color the cone. Again, take light blue color and color this part of the candy. Orange, I fill color in the remaining area. Next, take red and fill in the blush and the mouth here. And the heart as well. Color the cherry in the same color, and then I'll take the brown color and I'll color the stick of this cherry here. The same thing I did for the top cherry as well. And the same red color on the inside of the ears as well. And that's it, we are done with our picture.